So let's go and create a new view controller. I'm going to set my edit profile, Command N, Cocoa Touch class. It's going to be a subclass of table view controller, and it's going to be called purchased history table view controller. Click create and next, and we have our view controller already. I'm going to delete this number of sections. Let's just clean out the code for now. We're going to need the cell forward index path. Is the rest I'm going to delete, and we will add whatever is necessary later on. And let me quickly jump to my main storyboard and make sure my cell reuse identifier is still cell, and we can change it in our file here. And I'm going to specify that this is as item table view cell. Okay, so let's actually start from top. What we are going to do is to have some array, mark vars, and this array is going to be holding all the purchased items that we are going to use in order to present in our table view. So we say var items, item array is going to be an array of item objects, and it's equals to empty array. So at the beginning we have no items from our purchased. Then we are going to I want to get rid of these empty cells. So in our view did load, I'm going to say table view dot table view footer view is equals to UI view, and then we want to set our table view dot, actually no, this is all for now. Our number of rows in section we are going to set to be equals to our item array dot count, and in our view did load, actually let me put a mark here, view life cycle, we are going to implement another function, view did appear. So every time our view appears, we are going to get all the new refresh basically our array, so we can get whatever our user has purchased from the cloud. So we say super view did appear, and here I'm going to call a function called load items. Right now this function doesn't exist, so we need to write it. That's why after my table view data source, I'm going to put a mark and call this load items. And we say private func load items. And our error should disappear from the top because we declared the function. And in order to load our items, I'm going to say download items, and here we are going to have a function that is going to download all the items where IDs is equals to our purchase IDs. So we have this handy function already that it takes an array of IDs and it will download all the items that include these IDs. So the array of IDs is going to be our m user dot current user dot purchase item IDs. And remember, this is what we keep track of our purchased items. Every time our user purchases something, we are going to put the ID in this array and save it to our current user. So the completion, we're going to get back all items. In our case, this will be all the items our user purchased. So I will say self dot item array is equals to all items. And then we need to refresh our table view. I say reload data in order to show all this information. So let's see what we need here. In our cell for road index path, we have our cell. So I can call generate cell here, all items. Oh, it's called item array, sorry. And we are going to pass our item array index path dot row. So we specify which item we are passing to it. And this function is going to go and grab the downloaded item and show it. What I'm going to do is, once we load our items, I'm going to put print for now and say we have, and then we are going to check how many items, all items.count, purchased items. And if I run my application now, this is going to be nil because none of our users, especially the one that is logged in, has any purchased items. Because so far, whenever we are purchasing something, even we didn't finish the code for that, we are not adding it to our purchased item array. So coming here, one thing I forgot to do is go to my main storyboard and set the view controller that is going to control my class here to purchase history table view controller. And let's rerun. Now it says we have zero purchased items. So that our code is running, we have empty array here, empty table view, and none of the items is here because we didn't purchase anything. So once we implement the code to purchase and save the items in our user, we are going to also come back here and test if everything is working fine.